Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Moon, rules Cancer, exaltation Taurus, detriment Capricorn, fall Scorpio, responsible of Moon, mind, material assets, property, mother, GIF, Moon in first quarter, represents, domestic, nurturing urge, anatomy, breasts, stomach, fluid balance of the body, digestion, glandular secretions, left eye of male, right eye of female. Keyword, emotions. General, the Moon's influence in the chart is very important because it is the closest planet to the Earth and moves through the zodiac rapidly. It represents the female principle, mother, wife and women generally. Instincts, moods, tides, phases, receptivity, actuations, feelings, habit patterns, reflex actions. Its action actuates and changes. Governs personal interests, desires, needs, magnetism, growth and fertility, the need to touch, impressionability and consciousness. Rules liquids, commodities, sailing, brewing, nursing, tradespeople and the public in general. Where you find the Moon in the chart shows where you are subject to emotional ups and downs. Leo, the lion. Keyword is, magnetism. Positive characteristics. Dramatic, idealistic, proud, ambitious, creative, dignified, romantic, generous, self-assured, optimistic. Negative characteristics. Vain, status conscious, childish, overbearing, fears ridicule, cruel, boastful, pretentious, autocratic. Moon in Leo. With the Moon in Leo you like to be the center of attention. You don't necessarily like being on stage in front of a lot of people, but you do enjoy being at the center of your loved ones' lives. You want to play and you want to know all the tricks of the trade when it comes to getting others to join you. When life gets tough, you like to play to alleviate the situation. Parties, festivals, picnics and other fun events are the food of life for you. You are mostly a happy-lucky soul, but when you are sad you can roar like a lion. You have a big heart and at the same time such a generous soul that most of your loved ones will forgive the occasional little arrogance. You respond well to praise and are often in a hurry to praise others. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions please tell me. If you want free horoscopes please watch below video.
Thank you.
See you in the next video.